Today, I'm going to show you Alex Hormozi's reel strategy so that you can start making Instagram reels just like him. This style of reel that we call a tweet reel. Okay, we call this a tweet reel. And you can tell why, right? Because it looks like a tweet, but it's actually a video. But when we actually decompress this or unpack it, it's an image on top of an image. And when you add an image to the Instagram Reels system, right? You press plus and you add a reel and it's an image, I'll add this image, it automatically makes it 4 seconds, okay? I'll bet you I could post this image right now as a reel and get 1,000 views. This is really an image on top of an image uploaded to Reels and it's 4 seconds, but the trick is this. I want you guys to hear me on this. The text in the tweet should take longer to read than 4 seconds. So we can see that Alex Hormozi is doing this over and over again, not just once or twice. 469,000 views, right? If you want to see who your real friends are, win. Then see who's still, I don't know. Okay, so I feel like his formatting is a little bit off because he's not using like a template, but I'm not going to hear it correct Alex Hormozi, right? My point is it's not perfect. And yet it's still doing 469. This one did 244. And even this is like a revision on it. And this is better. This is framed better. You notice I can see it all, okay? But this is also, how many did that pull in? Another 339,000. So tweet reels are important. I'm going to show you how we craft our tweet reels. And this is all part of a training program that we have on how reels work and how all that stuff works and whatnot. So if you guys want to get this, then I'll put a link in the description box below. I'll give you guys this for free. This is kind of just like a breakdown of what this looks like. But I have these are like recipes, right? And I have a whole lot more of these recipes on bad framing and whatnot. And one of the most important things is you've got to make sure that the white area, like everything you're doing in the tweet, is in this white area here. Right? Because if it's not, it's going to override with some of the overlays. I won't be able to read it as well. Okay, so know that we have that resource there, and that's something that might be valuable to you. Let's go back to our profile, and let's show you how we recreated this to get 338,000 views on the most recent one. But we have a couple of these, 95.1 thousand on this one, 205,000 on this one, 108,000 on that one, 108,000 on that one. So this is definitely 72,000 on this one. And you see the numbers are going down because I'm going back in time. But if I were to do this chronologically, you could see the numbers started at 72 and then 108, 108, 205, and they just began to kind of fluctuate from there. So let's deconstruct 338. Take a look at what it is. Number one, it is a great image of my face that fits into the template area. It fits, see that? My face is well structured in that piece, okay? So when we look at it from here, you can see that my eyes are underneath where it says Reels. In fact, let's go to the board and kind of look at it. Okay, so my eyes are underneath the overlay here. It says Reels. My eyes are underneath that, okay? Because I use the template. All right. The next thing is that all of this tweet is readable. Okay. Except, it falls, it's not perfect, right? Because it falls, it messes with the overlay, but all of this is in the template as well, right? It's all fit really nicely. Okay. So we've got an image of me that's worth looking at. And then we've got a tweet box in the center. This one's a little bit too far off to the left. I think probably we were messing around. And then you have to have a high impact sort of headline right here. Or this is the caption, but we tend to think of this as the first line, right? So you got to have a powerful first line. Now, your description box can be very minimal, right? Let's open this up and you can see I got a lot of text here. I don't think you need this. The goal, though, is this right here. This video should be 4 seconds, okay? And this text should take longer to read than 4 seconds. Okay, that's the goal. I don't think Alex Hormozi follows that goal, but that's what we do. Now, in certain cases, I mean, we have a very healthy description box here, but I don't think that you really need that. I think that having just a small paragraph with like, hey, don't forget to click my link in bio, I think that would be really powerful as well. So here's some things that we've learned from this is that if your image is no good, like the image of me is like, I'm doing chemo. You know, the images of Alex Hormozi, I mean, those are good images. So your image kind of needs to be really good, right? I think that's something that's really powerful, the image of you. Your eyes need to be in the frame. Your text needs to be clearly readable. What you need to do right now is create like the tweet box design, right? So this, you know, where it's got your profile picture and Alex Hormozi like, you're going to have to make that in Canva or on your phone and sort of like duplicate that over. And it's not hard to do. You're just going to have to do that. Right. So, you know, if you're running an agency, I might make this a formula for all of your clients, right? You're going to do 5 tweet reels for each client and you kind of like make these templates, get them all over to them. If you're doing some of your own stuff, I would recommend making 3 of these style reels on Instagram and seeing how they do. Where you will lose, this is where you're going to lose. If your stuff is stupid, right? It's just like whatever, it's a great image of you, but then your tweet is like, tomorrow is another day, like, or it's like a quote from a Stoic. You know what I mean? It's kind of like, you know, Marcus Aurelius once said, like, that's not you. It's not authentic to you. So we've tried some of that with other clients that like didn't have a lot of meaty content and we just kind of found quotes for them, you know. The reels did not perform as well as we would have liked them to. So your tweet content needs to be valuable, right? And you can have AI assist you, but you really should make it feel human as you can. I would probably try to keep it at 100 words, you know, and augment it from there, but really get the viewer to dial it in and read, okay? And if you want to learn about other styles of making reels, we got a bunch of different styles. These are called tweet reels. We have looping reels. We have a whole bunch of different styles of reels. And some of them, look, they don't work forever. They work while they work. So it's like, these are working right now. Get them to work. They may not be popular next year. And there's more that's working as well. We'll share more of that on our channel. So subscribe, watch more videos. Did a whole series on Instagram. Hope you enjoy. My name is Owen. I will see you in the next one.